Now, the aspect of AI that we are going to focus on is called generative AI. It's AI that brings out text, video, image, code.
What is the main difference between Gamma and PowerPoint? In Gamma, you have what we call cards. In PowerPoint, you have what we call slides.
One tool that has come to help all HR professionals is AI. Look, it's a help that each and everyone needs in your day-to-day work.
So Africon AI is a top-notch institute organization. I mean, what they do is futuristic, and so I think everybody needs to experience Africon AI.
And I just participated in Africon AI conference for HRs, and in fact, I have not only learned, but I'm thinking ahead how my work is going to be easy. If you hear of any AI training, especially from Africon, please don't miss it. Join. Fantastic.
I thought I knew AI actually, but I realized that I have learned a lot this morning. It's very intensive that everyone needs to be abreast with what the future holds.
Even just yesterday when I was sent the pre-work, I got wowed because I got to know some AI tools that exposed me to another level of adoption.
And very insightful, very excellent, and I would want to encourage everybody to try as much as possible to learn an AI skill.
I'm so grateful to be here, and the simple word I have today for all HR professionals is they should disabuse their mind on the fact that if you use ChatGPT or Gamma or any other form of AI in your operations, you are going to be replaced in the next few years. That is not so true.
So today we had a excellence program, which was AI training for HR managers, courtesy Africa AI Consult or Africon. And then we have other sponsors, Adansi Travels and Vaurse. And the purpose of the training was to equip HR managers with AI skills that will help them to be more productive at work and champion AI adoption in their organization. I must say that as a facilitator for this HR program, it's been amazing. We want to encourage every HR manager, not for only HR managers, but every senior manager, wherever you are. If you are not using AI, call Africon or Africa AI Consult, and then they can come to your organization and help train your team so that you can be more productive, also be able to deliver the best results for whatever you do. So Africon, we say AI for growth.